Right, I would still keep working on this project. So where we left at was I was able to make this guy move based on the path that he finds, and then I should be able to click one of these arrows to set the direction that I want this guy to be. So at least at first this arrows should be invisible, so I'm gonna make it invisible. That is, so this, okay, so I'm just gonna make everything an entity, and name it direction, triangles, and visible equal false. So this is going to hide it, right? And when the movement is complete, which is where, so this movement is complete, it's actually on the unit component complete. Okay, so this L query selector direction triangles set attribute visible, set it true. And visible, and by clicking it, okay, so let's listen to the event detail when the unit components click, because sometimes it's the triangle, sometimes it's the body. Console.log event, this guy cannot move there, so let's go, and arrow clicked, then where's my event? Where's my event? Come on. Yes, click event. So the target detail, cursor EL async interactions, mouse event, search element. Okay, so source element or target a triangle. Okay, I see. So okay, so this L add event listener click. Instead of this L, let's just get query selector an A box for now, and add an event listener. So only the box is the target of the click event. It should work as it has been, but then this wouldn't trigger a new event, but this should. Okay, so let's get another this L query selector a triangle query selector all, add event listener click. Console log triangle clicked. Function, let's make it into a function so that this, the word this is actually it has something to say. So 1, 2, Where's my triangle? Okay, error. Add event listener is not a function. Query selector all. Query selector all returns what? It's not an array. It is possible to iterate over it for each. Really? Okay, for each L. Add event listener. Let's update. So move, show triangle, click. Triangle clicked, undefined. So this L was undefined, but L should be defined actually. So it doesn't, I don't really have to do it. Okay, so event L is defined. So L should have, you know, the directional information, right? So I'm just going to go ahead and triangle class direction. So when that happens, I should be able to get some information. Yes, get the element. Perfect, clicked. So element class list 0. So units update as unit defined. You know what? Init. Why don't I subscribe units? Subscribe here. Array. Okay, so units get 1. This was that l.id. Unit. This. So if I have this, then it's subscribed. Right, so I don't have to do this constantly. Every time it updates the units, then I get an update, right? So in this case, units update on this unit ID direction is direction, and then also it's unit component. So unit this L set attribute rotation switch direction. Yes, that attribute. Okay. Case south. So rotation, if it's south 0, 0, 0. probably, but I just want to see the results for now. So have this come here and then no, it doesn't rotate it. Oh, I see what it is. It's rotating. I see. So it's I see. It's rotating by with this guy. Interesting. Very interesting. Yeah, exactly. It's so previous direction. Let's get the previous direction. This previous direction is equal to this unit direction. It's actually L rotation Y. Get attribute rotation Y. So that's the previous direction. It's not direction. Previous Y rotation. Or I would just simply say Y rotation. And then if Y rotation, so Y rotation, if it's facing south, Y rotation equals to 0. All I should just do is Y rotation plus 0, like offset the direction with Y rotation, isn't it? Isn't it what it's supposed to happen? Y rotation plus 0. If it's facing north, north is, well, it means behind. I think it's the same case here, isn't it? Am I right? Am I right? I'm just, I'm not really so good at math, so I will just, give it a try and see how it goes. That's what it is. It's tough. So going opposite is working. Plus 800, 180. Clicking, let me get it right. So clicking west is not working. It's actually opposite. Am I right? Oh, he doesn't know where to go. I think it's good.